Brian Diapert, Editor-in-Chief of the eInfochips Alliance, your moderator for this last presentation in the Enabling Technologies 2-track for today. Our presenter is Naitik Nakrani, Solution Architect Manager at eInfochips. Really interesting talk about how to integrate depth into your design. The topic the title is Efficiently Registering Depth in RGB Images. Naitik, come on.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Naitik, and I'm working as a Solution Architect Manager at eInfochips, a part of Aero Electronics company based out of India. So today I'll be talking about efficiently registering depth in RGB images. So I'll be discussing processes and algorithms required to register two different cameras, giving two different streams, one being a depth, second being an RGB. So combinedly, it's called an RGB-D camera. So little bit background about the InfoChips. InfoChips has its presence over past 30 years. We have a strength of skilled engineers of around 3,500 plus skilled engineers, and we over the period of years we have acquired all types of industry-leading organization certifications, as well as for the certifications required for the different technologies. So we do innovate, transform, and scale in 4 different domains, being that device engineering, silicon engineering, digital engineering, and quality engineering. So we worked, we provide a product engineering services all the way up to edge to cloud. And this work is a part of embedded in multimedia, where we do processing on audio, speech, video, images, and that includes the camera design as well. So this will be my outline for today's presentation. I'll give you a brief introduction and background about why and what is the RGB-D camera. Then I'll briefly explain what is a registration problem, and then I'll go different parts of that registration process.